Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your Google Form public without Gmail account. So what you want to do first is to ensure that you're properly signed into Google Forms, or you already have your Gmail address in your system to ensure that you're easily signed in. Another way you can get signed in is to go to your Google Drive and then just select the options Google Form, and then you'll be properly signed in. Now, how to make your Google Form public without your Gmail account? You want to select the particular form you want to work with, or create a new form over here by clicking on this plus icon. So let's just work with this particular Google form. So now, to ensure that your Google form is made public without Gmail account, you head over to your setting, which is at the top over here, question, responses, and setting. All right, when you've gotten there, head over to responses, click on the drop down menu, and then you come to change the settings. Now, if you let it set on responder input, it will mean that your respondents will have to manually enter their Gmail response, and that is not what we want to do. We want to help them manage or access the Google form without having to use their Gmail account. So you just click on this drop down menu and then choose do not collect. So you head over down here and then ensure that this is not limited to one response, right? If it is to be limited, then if it is not, it is open to your respondents without having to access it with their Gmail account. So this is how you can make your Google form public without Gmail account. Remember, setting your forms to public is important because it allows anyone with the link to access and submit responses without restrictions. This removes the barriers such as signing in requirements, making it easier for people to respond quickly, and ensure that you collect data from your audience. A public form also increases participation, reduces confusion, and helps you to get accurate results faster. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make your Google Forms public without a Gmail account. Until next time, bye for now.